Alright, the first thing you want to do is tape this up. There, it's taped up already, so it doesn't get scratched up. Alright, this is the exhaust system for the 2001 Tundra. So, and WD-40, this one. This one. And this one. And also this one. Alright, so recap. WD-40 there. WD-40 there. WD-40 there. Right there. Here. And there. Next, we're going to remove the bolts here. Then this we remove also. Then this one we'll also remove. Okay, that's off. That's also off. Just go in the back here. That's off. Okay, the first thing you should do is remove this tailpiece. Okay, the tailpiece is off. Put a tape here so I can save this gasket. Next is to remove this. I'm gonna remove this one first. Okay, it's off now. So the only thing that's holding this is that and that one. So I'm going to push the exhaust pipe that way to remove it. I'm going to take this off first. Alright, so as you can see, this one, I used the hammer claw to push this out just a little bit. That one's still there. So I'm gonna push this exhaust, push it that way. Okay, I'm gonna take off the last one. Okay, it's completely off now. There's a washer here, a gasket. And this is our pipe. Okay, next, lube the bolts. This one, And this one. Get that in the back side first. Get this one second. Get this one last. Okay, now it's time to bolt it on. Okay, the bolts are on. Just hand tighten them. Tighten here, here. Make sure they're balanced when you're tightening them. Same thing here. Hand tighten them. So don't crank it with the tools yet. Use your hand. Alright, so what I'm doing is I'm tightening this maybe 3 turns, and then 3 turns here, 3 turns here. So basically I'm tightening this 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4, all balanced. I'm trying to balance them so they will tighten up perfectly. All right, they're tight now. They're tight. There's going to be a small gap right here. When you see this flanges kind of bend towards the bolt here, and then there's a small crack here that's tight right there. Same thing here. Okay, I pushed them with my hand. Okay, they're in there now. Same thing with this one. That's good. Next, we're gonna install this gasket right here, like that. So now I'm gonna attach this tailpiece to there now. So now I'm just gonna tighten up this one. Make sure this is lined up correctly. Okay, I have to check this one here. That's the resonator. That looks good. That's good. That's not touching the bed. Anyways, I'm very happy with the straight pipe with the resonator exhaust. I love it. The truck is just a different beast. I can't say anything more to express how I feel about this truck. Now that it has the exhaust, I love it. Alright guys, I'm ready to go. Here we go. I'm gonna back it up. Hold on a second, let me focus here. You guys to enjoy this because I like it. I love it. Here we go. Let's go for a drive. Right now, I'm going and I want you to hear it while it's still tame. Yeah, I drive it slow. gonna test the audio to see if it picks up the recording of the exhaust. Alright, party people, here we go. We're gonna test it out right now. There you go. Just looking for cops. Here we go. Woo! 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 Hold on. I'm catching my breath. Go. Look out for cops, you know what I'm saying? One more time. You know what? One more time for you guys. Sweating. I need a towel right now. Unbelievable. This is too much. Too much. I'm your coach, Coach Fred. You know how we do it? Let's go! Woo! Man. Woo! I'm like a teenager, but with money. Here we go.